students, so welcome back to Legal Maxim. So behind every legal principle there is a powerful legal maxim. So let's break one down today. And today's legal maxim is actus reus non facit reum nisi mens sit rea. बहुत दिखने में बड़ी लग रही है, हम एक एक वर्ड को ब्रेक करेंगे and then it will become very easy for you. Reus, reum, rea means guilty, right? Actus reus means guilty act. Non-facet means does not apply. Reum means guilty person. Nisi means unless, and mens et rea means guilty mind. So कैसे बोलेंगे इसको? A guilty act does not apply, does not make a guilty person unless there is a guilty mind. So to found a guilty of a crime, there should be a two element present, that is a guilty act and a guilty mind. If both the element present, then only person is said to be a criminal. Otherwise, he won't be liable for any criminal act. Right? So कहाँ देखने को मिलता है, ये कहाँ यूज आता है? तो दिस इज अ कॉमन लॉ टेस्ट और अ क्रिमिनल लाइबिलिटी जो जजेस देखते हैं बिफोर लाइबलिंग एनीवन एज अ क्रिमिनल. So let me take an example for you. For example, someone has taken your property. The person has taken your property. There is a two condition. First, he has an intention to take your property, right? And otherwise, second condition, he negligently deprive you from the property. If the person is intentionally taking the property, that means he done a guilty act plus he has a guilty mind. Therefore, he will be held liable for a theft. In second scenario, गिल्टी एक्ट तो है पर गिल्टी इंटेंशन नहीं है, और जैसे ही गिल्टी इंटेंशन नहीं है वो थेफ्ट के लिए लाइबल नहीं होगा. Right? So I hope you got this legal maxim now. If no confusion is there, and now the time is for the quiz. So this is the question for you related what we have done today. So this is the question and we are waiting for the answer in the comment box. Stay tuned, follow more legal updates. Thank you so much.